Hi guys, it's Tanya from Avalanche Safety Solutions. Today we're here answering your common questions that come in either in the retail space or online. Today, Mark from Moncton is wondering how many antennas should an Avalanche transceiver have? Good question. The older, outdated models have 2, but there's no reason to still be using those ones with today's technology. We all should be using digital transceivers with 3 antennas for safety. They're faster and more precise.
Oh, there we go.
Because I was sad.